Ever had an oops moment that turned into a whoa? Join us to uncover some amazing inventions. Welcome to Serendipitous Discoveries. Our first story, a hungry inventor, a powerful radar machine, and one very messy pocket. Get ready for the chocolate bar that cooked itself. Meet our scientist hero, a brilliant engineer. In the 1940s, he was working on top-secret radar machines. Super important stuff. While working on his giant radar, he felt a strange warmth. He had a chocolate bar in his pocket, but the machine was cooking up a gooey surprise. He reached for his treat and oops, it was a melted, gooey mess. The scientist thought, how did that happen? It's not even hot in here. Instead of getting mad, our inventor's brain sparked. Could the radar waves be cooking? The mystery of the melted munchie was on. First, he tried an egg. He put it near the radar and pop! An exploded egg. Not the best breakfast, but it was a huge clue. Next, corn kernels. He aimed the radar and pop, pop, pop! The world's first microwave popcorn. He knew this was no ordinary machine. Our scientist realized the radar was zapping food with invisible waves, heating it super fast from the inside out. That's the microwave secret. That melted chocolate wasn't a mess-up. It was a message. He hadn't failed at radar. He had accidentally discovered a whole new way to cook. That discovery led to the first microwave oven. At first, they were huge, but over time, they got smaller. Now, microwaves are in almost every kitchen. We use them to warm up leftovers and make quick snacks. It's a super handy invention. All thanks to our curious inventor's mind and one melted chocolate bar. He taught us that even a gooey mess can be a brilliant discovery. What oops might you turn into a eureka? Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows what amazing discoveries you will make. From exploding eggs to brilliant blunders, the world is full of awesome serendipitous discoveries. Don't miss our next story. Love hearing how mistakes lead to brilliance? Then hit that subscribe button and join Tender Intellects for more serendipitous discoveries.